So as you can see, the little baby is eating food right now.
This is the baby of pigeon.
And pray for the bird. And please pray for the bird. So beautiful. It is small and helpless.
So it is passing motion, Ulu. That means it's going to be fine. So we are going to take care of it. We are feeding a little bit of oats mixed with a little bit of egg. And let us find a way out in the night. So this will be closed. And just to avoid the birds from killing it, we are going to cover it like this.
See, it's opening its mouth. So damn beautiful. As you can see, this is day 3 of the little baby. As you can see, the little pigeon, it has become very active and very damn beautiful. Now when will it open its eyes? Another week. It's opening its beak fully.
Slowly. We're trying to give it a little
See,
bird. So we are feeding
like so damn cute.
left the baby outside. So mother is feeding the baby. Sit.